So this tiny house is a 12 by 16 tiny house. It's the living room, the kitchen. The shower. Little sink. Betta fish. And still have yet to build the composting toilet, but that's tomorrow. Full-size barn door. Here's our stairway. Get back and feature that. Big floor-to-ceiling pantry for lots of storage there. And got some shiplap details. Anyway, looking up into the loft, this is a storage unit here. And then the stairs we just put up on top of the fridge. And here's the loft. Up here with the sunburst window and 2 dormers. Little seats that we built in. That's our tiny house.